Audio-Technica's second-generation 2000A series wireless offers user-desired functionality, including an all-new drop-in battery charger accessory, switchable transmitter output power, and other features designed to suit a wide variety of applications, including MI Live performance, fixed installation, public address, and places of worship. Offering 10 selectable channels in one of 2 UHF frequency ranges and built-in scanning, the 2000A series automatically determines and sets the best available frequency at the touch of a button. New to the 2000A series is the desirable I-band, operating from 487 to 506 MHz. Plus, any of the 2000A series 10 channels may be used together without any frequency coordination problems or group selection issues, allowing for up to 20 simultaneous systems when using both bands. True Diversity Reception helps reduce dropouts by automatically selecting the better signal from the 2 independent RF sections, while Tone Lock Squelch fights interference and allows for simple on-off transmitter operation, eliminating the need for separate mute or standby switches. The receiver's large, easy-to-read LCD display provides constant system operation monitoring, including RF and audio levels, while the soft-touch front panel controls allow for intuitive user interface. The rugged metal half-rack receiver includes a rack mount kit and detachable UHF antennas. New to the 2000A series receiver is 12-volt DC antenna power, making it compatible with Audio-Technica's wide offering of powered antenna accessories. Balanced XLR and unbalanced quarter-inch receiver output connections, along with increased audio output gain, enable the new 2000A series receiver to work with a wide variety of audio gear, while a convenient ground lift switch helps eliminate audible hum caused by ground loops between the sound system and receiver. Redesigned with consumer-driven input, the new 2000A series transmitters combine a professional appearance with easy-to-use functionality. Switchable high-low RF power settings on each transmitter allow for increased range or extended battery life. The new 2000A series handheld transmitter features the same element used in the Pro 41 dynamic handheld microphone. Created for professional live sound venues, this capsule provides for maximum feedback rejection and consistent sound. The rugged body pack transmitter uses the same 4-pin HRS-type connector as more expensive Audio-Technica wireless systems, allowing it to work with all of the AT wireless essentials, including lavalier and head-worn microphones or instrument cables. This connector incorporates both mic and instrument inputs, each with independent trim controls impedance matched to their source type, allowing the user to use a mic or instrument without having to readjust input sensitivity. Both transmitters operate on standard AA alkaline or nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries. Built-in charging contacts in each transmitter allow them to drop into the optional recharging station. Designed to take any combination of body pack and handheld transmitters, this charger incorporates intelligent battery management circuits to safely charge the transmitters. When initial charging is complete, the unit keeps the batteries topped off with an ultra-low current maintenance charge until the transmitter is removed from the charger. LED indicators on the charger provide visual charging condition status, while built-in safety features monitor cell voltage and automatically turn off the unit if problems are detected or a transmitter with non-rechargeable batteries is inserted. The new Audio-Technica 2000A series wireless. Serious advances in affordable professional wireless.